Hey YouTube world, back with a quick little auto body portable spray booth update. So I have a sprayable booth back there. I don't like to spray in my new barn. It's not even a year old, and anyone who's painted in the garage, you know, overspray gets on everything, it makes a mess. It's just terrible. I mean, I got a lot of nice stuff in here. I really don't want to get overspray on my Sierra all-terrain I'm building. You know, I got my Snap-on toolbox, bench, just little stuff. I don't want to wreck it. But I'd like to do a video at some point of the barn. I got a mezzanine I built right there. I used the bin pack, 4-post lift. I put cars right up there. It's like an elevator. Works pretty good. I usually store my Tesla up there that I built, which could be another video. That was a salvage Tesla. But go over a couple things with my portable spray booth, just to give people an idea before you buy it. Because if I would have seen this video, I probably would have went a little different with it. Maybe not even have bought it. I mean, I'm not a DIY. I've been doing this 20 years, and it's gotten me out of some kinks. But you know, let's go over a couple things. Okay, here she is. About 20-30 hours on it. Couple little things are starting to show some wear. One, the filters. You know, like I said, maybe 20-30 hours. It can't be for sure. Not a crazy amount of paint jobs. You know, if it was in my shop, you know, at the shop I work at full time, I mean, that'd be like one day. This thing would be trashed. I just got done clearing a bumper in there. Halfway through clearing it, I lost my intake fan, so that got pretty tricky. She overheated. I've been painting since 8 o'clock this morning. It's about 3 right now, so it was a thermal trip inside the motor. I was able to use an air shock, cool it off, get it going. Another thing to be wary of. I mean, this thing, you know, this is definitely DIY, these booths. I mean, I would never recommend this to anyone trying to make a living. No way. All right, let's go inside. So this brings you into the first cavity, I guess you'd call it. This is what gets pressurized, and then you get your cross strap through the filters. Go down, grab another zipper, and boom, here we go. So this is the inside. This one has tall ceilings and it's waterproof. Never wanted to test that, but I did test it this morning. I got a thunder shower and I had that car in here, and it got scary, but no problems. So I just cleared this, and this, I will say, doesn't need no de-nibbing. It will basically come right out. Probably wait till tomorrow morning, put all the trim on it, and put it on. But it came out really good. I have been battling some fish eyes. I come to find out, another why you don't want to use this professionally, is my father showed up with a Duramax and that idling fish eye, a hood I was painting last night. Okay, let's take a look at the facade. So I painted down the side. So quarter, door, fender, and a hood. Looks really good outside. The metallic laid out really nice. I went with Speed Checker on this. Then I used Wanda Clear Coat. I prefer the Wanda. It's a 4-to-1. It's not a high solid. Akzo Nobel makes it. They do stand behind it, so it's not one of those clears in 5 years it's going to start peeling. At least I hope not. If it does, they stand behind it, so that's why I choose to use it. But yeah, it's coming pretty decent. I mean, can't see it out here, but I will be wet sanding that hood, and then I'll cut and polish the sides with some Trizact just to get some sheen out of it. Make sure it's nice. So there's a couple of things with the portable spray booth. Again, if you guys have any questions, hit me up on it. Be more than happy to, you know, give you some tips, make sure it's what you need, what'll work for you. My future plans are on the other side of this wall here. I am going to do a booth. Might be able to get started on it this summer, I hope. We'll see. Help me get away from using the spray up paint booth. So today it was 85, 88. Humidity is about 80%, and I mean, I don't have any water issues. I got a nice DeVilbiss system back there, but it's brutal. It's brutal. It's brutal. And with that rain shower today, that could have got real bad, and I could have lost a lot of, could have actually ruined the car. I mean, my biggest concern, you get a good enough thunderstorms, that thing's going for a ride. And I do have blocks I use. I didn't use them today. Kind of cheaped out, but got lucky. So any questions, hit me up. Love to help you out.